Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to check in with Condor Airlines. So the first step is to simply open any browser and search for check-in Condor Airlines. Then you're gonna have to simply click the first link, this one here, online check-in, and then you're gonna get redirected here. So as you can see, you can check in online starting 24 hours prior to your departure time and get your boarding pass in advance. So here, as you can see, you have different specifications, and what you're gonna have to do in order to check in, basically simply click on this check in online now. Then you're gonna get redirected here, and then basically here you're gonna have to log into your booking. So here you're gonna have to choose where did you book your flight/trip, so Condor tour operator. Then here you're gonna have to enter the booking number or check-in reference number, the date of your outbound flight, and the passenger surname, and then simply click on continue, and then basically you can continue to check in. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.